What if I told you that a father's health, even before conception, could determine whether his child will be fertile or infertile in the future? No, this isn't science fiction. It's cutting-edge science. And the latest research is pointing to a surprising truth. A man's habits, lifestyle, and even emotional state before becoming a father can shape his children's reproductive health for life. Think about it. You're young, healthy, maybe not even thinking about having kids. But what you eat, how much you sleep, whether you smoke or drink, and even the stress you carry, could leave invisible marks passed directly on to the next generation. Genetics alone is no longer the main character in this story. Today, scientists are talking about epigenetics. A study published in Nature Reviews, Genetics showed that environmental factors like diet and exposure to toxins can change how certain genes are expressed, without altering the DNA itself. This means sperm can carry extra information that goes far beyond the genetic code. Want a real example? In 2020, researchers at the University of Copenhagen found that men with diets low in essential nutrients had sperm with epigenetic changes, linked to obesity and metabolic issues in their children. In other words, what you eat today might affect whether your child is more likely to become obese or even infertile in the future. And it doesn't stop there. A study from Harvard University showed that men who smoke or drink excessively have changes in their sperm DNA, especially in regions related to neurological development. This can affect not just fertility, but also the cognitive and behavioral development of future generations. But maybe the most striking finding lies in mental health. High stress levels in men before conception have been linked in studies conducted in Canada to hormonal changes in their offspring. Children of these men showed higher anxiety and reduced ability to handle stress. Yes, your emotional state today can echo in the mind of your future child. What about physical activity? Sedentary men produce sperm that's less mobile and more likely to have fragmented DNA. On the other hand, those who maintain a routine of moderate exercise tend to have healthier sperm. That's what a major scientific review published in the Journal of Human Reproductive Sciences revealed after analyzing over 20 clinical studies. So when we talk about fertility, we're not just talking about the present, we're building the future. A man's lifestyle affects not only his ability to conceive, but also how his children will live, grow, and develop. And if you're thinking, isn't that all the mother's responsibility? That's where the big mistake lies. Science is becoming increasingly clear. Fertility and the health of future generations is a shared responsibility, and a man's role begins long before conception. So here's the question. What are you building inside your body right now? Think about your habits today. How's your diet? Are you sleeping well? Are you taking care of your mental health? Or are you just brushing it all off, thinking you'll worry about it when the time to be a dad actually comes? The truth is, when it comes to legacy, your greatest inheritance may not be what you leave behind, but what you pass on cell by cell before your child is even born. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever heard this before? Have you ever thought that your choices today could shape your child's life tomorrow? If this video made you reflect, share it with someone who needs to hear this. Leave a comment below telling us what surprised you the most. Of course, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Here, men's health is taken seriously, because being a father is about much more than the moment of conception. It's a commitment to the future. Here we talk openly, backed by science, and focused on real transformation. Join this community that believes the future starts now. See you in the next video.